Welcome back to part 4 of restoring the telescope. I thought what we'd do is strip the rest of it and then get it all done for the cleanup. So we'll take these off this morning. So let's get into it. Okay, we'll take this off and then we'll move on to the next piece. Jude. Anyway, off you come. Oh. That's what's going on inside there. That's the one. So here's the big brass bolts that screw down and adjust the level. And there's a bolt that goes through the centre of those, which screws into the black cast iron ring base that you can see underneath. So that bolts it down and then they adjust the level. A full 5 minutes to take that one bolt out. I don't know what this bit does, but it's coming off. You're coming off as well. Okay, so I've pulled the bolts out of the plate, which is, as you can see there. So this is the mount for the motor drive, and that's the mount for the axle for the tube. So we pull this apart because it doesn't do anywhere near as much as it should. So let me block your view for a minute. And if you look inside there, it's the underside of it. Oops, I'll go this way. And you can see there's an axle in there, and I don't know if we can get an angle on it from here. Oh, let's have a look. If I can get an angle or not. No. Oh yeah, just a bit. And there's a tube which is accessed through a bolt there, so you can oil it. So I'm going to pull this flange and see if I can't get this apart so we can clean that up. So that's the next job.
There it is.
Now you're meant to come apart. We've got multiple hammers that will tell us the answer. That's that. It's not too bad. There's the oil tube. So there's the axle. That could do with a bit of cleaning up. Alright, here's the two pieces separated. So that's that bit. Here's that bit. There's the axle and its oil tube, or the bearing surface I should say, and there's the axle. As you can see, tapered. Do some cleaning up. Okay, move them out of the way, move on to the next job. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next episode.